Today we'll be using the Flip-a-Clip app on the iPad to create a short video animation. Tapping the plus button on the bottom brings up a new animation. Feel free to title it whatever you'd like, and we're going to import a background from the photo library. I'll be recreating the video game PONG in this animation using a background playfield imported from the camera roll. In order to change the color of your brush, in this case the pen tool, I'll be tapping the pen and tapping this black square that allows me to change the colors to anything that I want. From the pen tool, I select the marker and I start drawing my frames. Once you've drawn the first frame, tap the plus button on the bottom and that will add the next one. In this case, I'm repeating the two paddles on both sides multiple times before I launch the ball. From here on out, it's just repeating the process. You can see the under layer from the previous frame. There's a little bit of a ghost image to the next one, so you can line up exactly where your next drawing is going to be. And that's about it. If we fast forward a little bit, you'll be able to see the completion of the drawing phase and the final video will play. "58 frames individually will give you about 2.5 seconds of animation. Boop, boop, beep, boop, boop, beep, boop, beep. Oh!